Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency, and I'm on a journey to become debt free. It's Cash Stuffing Tuesday. You guys, today I don't have a lot of money. I really don't. I have $92. Let me confirm. 20, 40, 60. Okay. 70, 85. Okay. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Yep, told you. $92, but that's okay. Any small amounts do add up. I always have said that before, and I've said that no matter how much money I have to record so I can show you the truth on my journey, and so you can get motivated too, so you can go ahead and get started, because everyone has a different journey. Everyone has, a different path and stuff like that, and we're all here for it and cheering on for it. And yeah, so you guys, first thing first, I want to show you some of the freebies that I created on the Ko-Fi or Ko-Fi shop. It will be on the description box. You can go ahead and click there, and you will find there this challenge, and you can print it out. It is for free. I always print mine out in a cardstock because it is a little bit thicker. And so yeah, so first thing first is you're going to get 3 challenges. It's going to be the one that says welcome spring with the little froggy, and you can either roll and save with this one, or you can make your own numbers however you want it. In the stars you can write down the number, and the next one is like the little flower. I hope you can see that. It's like a cute little flower with number 1, 2, and 3. You can color that after. Super cute. And then last but not least, another one. This is like springy vibe. You got your duck, your little cricket, duck, the kite, the butterfly, the bee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And trust me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adds up. I don't know how much it will be, but I'm sure it adds up a good, decent amount of money. Something tiny you can use for Mini Monday, Tiny Tuesday, Freebie Friday. I mean, you name it. Something free for you to download. So cute and adorable. Let me actually take a cute thumbnail. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Okay, so took the thumbnail. Now let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Okay. All right, so we are going to put $20 on our rent slash bill binder. Oops, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm looking that way because Habi's getting ready for work, so I feel like he's coming in, but he is not. So yeah. I need to get ready for work. Okay, so we only need $60, you guys. $60 to complete rent, but I am only going to add $40. So that means that we only need 20 more for the next time that we cash stuff. So yay. I'm not going to count it because I already know that I only need $20 more, and we will be done with the rent envelope, and that will mean that we are going to finish our rent slash bill binder a few days early than when it's due, because I always pay Alex the first week of the month. So that is exciting. Oh my goodness. Okay, awesome sauce. Now let's go ahead and do our other saving challenges binder. So this one right here, I'm going to do my priority. That's why I have that $20. I don't have a lot of money, guys. I really don't. But hey, we're going to make it work. The camera, I hope it's okay on the angle. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. My tripod got messed up. The one that I tried to fix. So we will see. Anyway, so my priority will be this one right here. You guys know I need to get $900. And yeah, so, oh my gosh, you guys, can I tell you something? I am so in shocked and happy and thankful and grateful, and I cannot believe it. All right, so we need $38 to complete the $75 right here. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So, woohoo! That one is done. Oh my goodness. So, like I was saying, I finally got approved to get monetized. Yay! You guys, so yesterday when I was uploading the video, it was early in the morning. I went back to my YouTube studio just to see how much percentage I needed before my video was able to get posted, right? Well, when I click on my YouTube app, the YouTube studio app, it said there, congratulations, or something like that. I will post the picture right here. And I was like, oh my gosh, yay. I literally said that like out loud, like, oh my gosh, yay. Like I kind of wanted to like jump in a little bit, in a way. But I don't remember what I was doing. And I was like, oh, like I could not believe it. Like, OMG, you guys, I have officially gotten monetized. So I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how it works, I'll be honest with you. So hey, we're gonna go with it. All right, this one right here, you guys, is just gonna get a 5. It's another priority for my dermatologist that I need to go. It's just gonna get a 5. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. I'm not gonna count it just because for time frame or for time's sakes. So yeah, okay, so yeah, so I got finally monetized, you guys. So if you see, I don't know if yesterday you were able to see, I know Budget with Gigi told me, she was like, hey, I think I see an ad in your video. And I was like, oh my gosh, girl. I'm like, yes. I was like, I just got monetized. I was like, yes. So yeah. So hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. Thank you. All right. So I don't know if you guys noticed though that I got monetized. If you did, then you would have seen like you would have seen a YouTube video and the ad or whatever, and the video during the video. So yeah, okay. Next, let's go ahead and go towards the front and see. All right, so let's go ahead and scratch off the first one right here. Let's see how much this one will save us. OMG. How much is this? Oh, it's a 4. Yay, so I know we have $4, so hold on. Okay, yeah, so it's a 4. So let me actually do this. Let me put in a 5 and get a 1. So 5 and get a 1. So yay, you guys, this one will save us 65, 10, 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So $40 already, and it will save us 65. So we need 25 left, and we only have 4 scratch offs. So 25 and those 4 scratch offs. So we're almost there. Almost got it. All right, this one, the Mother's Day Saving Challenge. Oh my gosh, the Mother's Day Saving Challenge. I forgot. What are you doing? Hold on, guys. Okay. So I forgot to put the 5 in here. All right. So this one's from last time. Let's go ahead and do, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Do we have anything for $2?
Where's?
I don't think we do. Where's what?
Where's my scissors?
What scissors? I have not touched your scissors.
It was so thick.
Oh. Yeah, sorry. I was taping something. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. So, $3. Let's do the $3 here. Okay. And we should be good on that now. So we have $5 and $3. It's not a lot, but we're gonna get somewhere. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So far, $8. We still got time. Still got time for Mother's Day, so that's good. All right, so now all I have is $2 left, and I'm gonna add those $2 to Dylan, who's my youngest. We're gonna add $1 on his, and then Eric, who's my oldest, and that's it. That's everybody that got a little bit of love. Not everybody got love, but that's okay. All right, there you go. And the money is gone like that real quick. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be Freaky Wednesday. We're going to see who is going to get the most on that saving challenge. If you're new here, Freaky Wednesday is basically mini Monday saving challenges and Freebie Friday saving challenges combined together. All 12 of them are trying to get a little bit of love and see who gets the most money on that. So that's exciting. So yeah, so I hope to see you guys back tomorrow. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And what, Alex? What? Yes, it's the getaway. It broke. My tripod broke. Gosh. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alex had not seen my ghetto tripod. All right, bye guys. Thank you.